Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. So this video, I'm just going to discuss about my positional option scanner. We have created long back and recently we updated the positional scanner and a lot of questions on that how to use it. So we already updated many times and I'm going to simply explain you how you are going to effectively use the scanner. So simple logic only, so we are not providing any buy sell tips here. It's about the scan and you can apply your trade logic or system, so what you are using. So but this tool will help us to find the stocks based on the logic. Okay, so here this is what our positional scanner right now. So it is a monthly scanner. So what we are using in the monthly scanner, so the monthly wise, we try to find some one or two stocks based on the volatility. So we have some calculation and formula to find a volatility based trading strategies. So that means high volatile trading strategy. So we used IV, IVP, IVR. So these are all the key components for the strategy. So we have a real formula to calculate the expected range of the stock. So after finding the expected range, so we can use this all three together. We are using to find the expected range of the stock. So IV in Nifty, that will tell you how the Nifty is volatile or low volatile. So currently the IV Nifty is somewhere, but we are directly using the stocks IV, particular individual stocks IV, IVR and IVP. So by using this, we find the first range, and then we can implementing a two different strategies. One is a non-directional and another one is a directional. So this tool purely used for a non-directional strategies. So non-directional strategy, we use this tool. Already we are adding one example, that is monthly IV sheet. So that will help us to non-directional strategy. So this one we are not updating, so because we closed all the tips that kind of this monthly IV Google Sheet scanner, which one we have previously provided. The scanner name is a Google Sheet. So that is also we stopped from last February. So anyone who interested to get the scanner, you may get it to one-time charges and lifetime access. So you can also get from full source code from us, and you will be using a lifelong. Okay, so the logic which we are using in this weekly and monthly positional is purely a concept. It is not this one is not used for an intraday. For example, this month, like a month of March, how many trades, which because due to war the market is lower, but as per the concept we have a lot of put option sites only. So even some stocks are nearing to that entry point, because we are end of the month, it is not going to useful for the next month, because current month, because already we are nearing to the expiry. In this week we have a one holiday and only 4 days is for the expiry. Maybe physical delivery already started and margin should be high. So the logic on the course is simply how we can effectively find some 3 to 5 stocks for a whole month. So not for all the stocks we are going to focus. For example, these are all these, even Bank Nifty scheme. Maybe this month beginning Bank Nifty would be nearby 60,900. Let me check index of Bank Nifty. So what would be that Bank Nifty index on daily time frame this month beginning? So 27th February. So this is closely around 60,500. But maybe why we are taking the, maybe we are considering the future price. So let me check Nifty Bank future price. Maybe exactly March future. This is the 27th February. You can look at the 60,900. So the same strike price which you are tracking, and we have some calculation and formula when it is triggers, that would be here it is around 1,643. Maybe a trigger right now it is near about 8,000 rupees. We have the logic to entry, exit, and also stop loss that we learn on our positional strategical things. And weekly also to try to find one or two intraday opportunity on a weekly basis. For an example, this week I started 2 days back, that is Monday. So most of the put side, and today it recovered, we didn't get any. Call side, maybe yesterday is down and it is slightly increased, but it doesn't give you any new opportunity. But put side, yesterday itself we have a lot of opportunity to trigger and increased well, and then it may go down. So for an example, Loda 800. So let's assume yesterday it may have triggered our entry point, put option. What should be the breakout? 47.3. So yesterday 47.3 is maybe here. We need to check whether it is a valid entry. 47, yeah, it is a valid entry. So somewhere around after 10 o'clock it is triggered here, and then it went almost 83. Now it is closed by 75. So most of the option increased and then returned back, and it is closed lower. So these two concepts which you are using, that weekly and monthly concepts, we are not going to include any charts and indicator. So these two are based on this IV and IVP and IVR based concept on directional basis, and non-directional we will be different concept by using the monthly IVV to find out one or two stocks. In the beginning of the month we enter into the trades or entered into the particular stocks, and we are waiting for the expected move. But here we are waiting for the expected move, then we are enter. These are all the logic shifts here in the directional as well as non-directional. And this is the same copy of this, and now it is web version. It is a Google Sheet based version. Now we have stopped the Google Sheet, and this is what updated last 27 to 2026, and February end we are stopping all the things to providing this. And the same inside camera will be there, and monthly positional, weekly positional, same like that. So this is the same concept. And intraday, why we are given you this an intraday opportunity? Someone who try to find day trades, or this is based on the indicator. I'm not going to provide any strategies here. It is purely an indicator. So some logics I'm just using. After 9:30 you try to find a R4 breakout options. So based on the previous day closing price, we are selecting a strike, and if that strike which breaks R4, we try to take opportunity. So that is what the main logic and conditions which we are applying here. And this scanner itself, it is filtering a stock which increases above the R4 value before 9:30, that would be removed out. So if you are going to use this particular intraday tool for R4 breakout, you may check after 9:30. So before 9:30, any stock which is trading above to the R4, that would be ignored, and it will be not shown in the till end of the day. Okay, at 9:30 it will check this condition. But if you are running the scanner after 9:30, it will be showing all the things, because that is the time condition. If it is time is not, you are running that, and it will be closed out. Okay, so that is what the logic. So will be a lot of stocks today, but it is purely intraday. But it is a scanner. It will be providing multiple stocks, or whatever the things which is happening, those stocks would be come here. But from this you need to find some good liquid and quality stocks, and you can to find out to use some your logics you may apply. So for an example, Bajaj Finance 810. So what the logic? 810 should be the call, and I'm just using an R4. So the pivots, there is available many of the tools. Yeah, I just using yearly pivots, that's why it is not came here. Cambrilla and auto pivots, and here you can see this is what a first 5 minutes candle and second 15. So third candle it is less than that. Maybe here it is giving you the positive break, or maybe here it is breaks. Okay, so after breakout of 23.7 exactly, you can able to see 23.72. So this tool which calculated the exact R4, but here you can see the round numbers. Okay, so it is broken, and maybe a pivot or IS4, it depends on your riskability. You may keep a stop, and it finally closed 44. And lot of options also came, and before 9:30, if even better method is to find a breakout after fresh breakout. It should not trigger that R4, even it will work. Okay, so these are all the logic which you are used, but intraday is purely based on this Camarilla R4 breakout. So call, it gives you breakout on call side, put it gives you the breakout on put side. Which is giving you the breakout on whether call side or a put side. Both the sides we are looking for a R4 only. So today Dalmia Bharat 1740. So let me go for 1740. put option. So here also we are looking for an R4 breakout, but it doesn't have a liquidity. So simply ignore Coal India 455. Let me check put option. Yeah, this is a perfect R4 breakout at this point. So first three candles inside and fourth candle is given in the breakout, and then it moves somewhere around 19 from 12 to 19. Maybe a quick intraday opportunity which we can find it out with the scanner. Okay, even you can apply your trade strategy because it is given for a scanning purpose, and you can apply your own logic and things, and that is what details about our positional scanner, which include of the Google Sheet scanner. That is a new version. So one time setup cost setup also available. So really interested people, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. And thank you so much. If you have any questions or a doubt, just ping me on my comment box or just WhatsApp me. And thank you.